Over the weekend, we had a chance to cover our bowling match. Here's a quick look at what they're up to.
I'm Lucas Les, and I'm in 11th grade.
My name is David Plakowski, and I'm in 11th grade.
Andrew Telpus, grade 12.
Mindset is just to bowl good, and it's a Baker tournament, so you don't really bowl a lot individually.
Strike, spare, and get as many points as possible.
Mindset going into today's match is to be confident, get the team riled up, make sure we make our spares today, and just keep a good mindset.
Just talk with my teammates.
Talk to my coach.
I stay focused by taking a few deep breaths before I get on the lane and shoot my shot.
I'm looking to accomplish, hopefully making cut to go to top 8.
I'm trying to strike as many times as possible.
Looking to accomplish a lot of strikes, but as well as a lot of spares. I got to make my spares. Spares are very important.
I think that mental focus matters a little more than physical.
Mental focus for sure, because if you do bad, you can't do good.
It's a little bit of both. You have to have that mental, especially with the crowd being loud when you're going out for your shot, but your technique also has to be very good. You can't just throw it. You have to find your line and find your arrow.
They don't realize that there's different oil patterns on the lanes that make it hard.
Definitely the mental focus, trying to stay focused and not give up.
It's a lot of mental strength, a lot of mental focus.
Great job, bowlers. We hope you have a great rest of your season.